Alright, so pagkatapos durugin, pulbusin, wasakin, sunugin ng SB19 ang stage ng Lollapalooza. Wala, natupok men eh. Wasak, warak. The best group ever in the whole world performed in Lollapalooza. And congratulations for a wonderful performance, SB19. If you're 18, subscribe to the channel, man. Pagkatapos wasakin ng SB19, ang entablado, nandito tayo ngayon. Takpan ko ngayong madumi kong kama. Hindi ko na ayos eh, no? Mag-comment about yan. Angat ko na lang yung konti yung camera. So, nandito tayo ngayon para panoorin ang pinakabago nilang music video, which is entitled Lawless. They even performed this in Lollapalooza. And it's crazy, no? So, wala na patumpik-tumpik pa, napanood natin ang lyric video nito. At ngayon naman, ang music video naman ang ating papanoorin. Coming from the best artist in this generation and the best boy group ever. Let's go. Subscribe to the channel, man. Let's go. Okay, so parang shoot. That's good. Jay ba to? Siya, nasa gilid. Excuse me, by the way, shoutouts to all the 18 around the world, anywhere in the world, na naglagay ng oras at nagbigay ng panahon nila. Because this is a historic moment. Congratulations, 18. Congratulations to the boys. Congratulations to all of us. Let's enjoy this shit. Sinong gusto maging cellphone? Sinong gusto na ma-reincarnate, ma-deads, tas ma-reincarnate bilang cellphone? Tumaas ka ng kamay, kunwari ka pa. God damn. Paano ba? Let's go! So, nagigets ko na yung theme. Lawless, wala silang pakialam. Talagang all over the place, wala akong pake. Kahit anong gawin ko, kahit gano'ng pato ka, hindi normal in the eyes of other people, I don't care, man. Ito yung gagawin ko, wala kayong pake. Walang law, hindi illegal to, walang bawal. I'm gonna do anything and you cannot judge me. Let's go. This is crazy. And kaya nga lawless eh. Walang bawal, walang mali, walang magde-judge sa'yo. Lahat kaya mong gawin. So, eto yung nangyayari dito lahat. Kaya all over the place yung shit. Kasi ganun yung idea. No one's approval, keep your doubts, huh? I'm lawless, better be cautious. No boxes can hold the gods, no. Start a mosh pit. Hey, hey, it ain't common sense. Talking out of pocket, get your car quick. Yeah, hey, you ain't got no authority. Living lawless is my priority. The lawless can get enough, but don't get stuck. Cause ain't no love in the land of the lawless. 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 No love in the land of the lawless. Mga bano, kala mo naglalaro, palabiro, palagino, pero di lalatio. Tell me what you gonna do when it comes for ya. Tell me what ya get in your head now. Ooh, somebody go to police. Ooh, we taking every. He was there the whole time, dude. That dude was there the whole time. Yeah, then nagkaroon pa siya ng pink cheeks. Si Josh Cullen ba naman sa harap? Oh, we got a goat here. Ooh, now you see the future. SB19 is the GOAT.
We run up the tempo. The damage. We low-key savage. Oh, keep on singing now. Tragic. We'll break the whole town.
The road is rough, the road is tough. Better watch your back in the land of
It's
the
the
lawless.
lawless.
Can't get enough, but don't get stuck. Cause there ain't no love in the land of the lawless. Lawless.
Lawless.
Lawless. No love in the land of the lawless.
SB19's concepts are freaking crazy. Every single time, it's original, it's amazing, it's always, man, it's art. Napakasarap niya talagang panoorin, and this is the exact image or the exact thing that SB19 said dati no, sabi nila na kakalagan ko ang kadena, yung tatanggalin niya na ang kadena, at ito na yon, lawless, kasi wala na wala nang maghihinder pa kung sino talaga sila, kung anong gusto nilang gawin. You don't have a say because it's lawless. Subscribe.
I'm always on the run. All these shadows calling out my name. Can nobody hold me down? I was born to break the chain.
Break the chain, man.
I'm gone, I'm letting go. This gone, let you know. Then look, it's the last straw. Watch me run and lose control.
Ah, tatapon! Uy, may manok! Grabe! The world is tough! Of the lawless!
Can't get enough, but don't get stuck. Cause ain't no love in the land of the lawless. 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 No love in the land of the lawless.
Damn! Oh my gosh! Let's go, man! You have a goat on the top of the car. Wow! That's crazy. SB19 never disappoints. At palagi kong sinasabi na these boys is gonna conquer the world, man. At may hula talaga ako na ngayong era na to, merong napakalaking collaboration ng SB19. Wala akong alam, wala akong kahit anong balita. I don't have those kinds of connections, but I feel it. Ramdam ko, napakalaking pangalan sa Hollywood or multiple artists are gonna be with SB19. It's gonna collaborate with SB19. Sinisigaw ko na sa universe to para makuha talaga natin. Let's go. Give it to us, man. Give it to us. All the opportunities. Crazy music video. Hindi ko ina-expect at all na ganito yung maging music video nitong hype na to. Lawless. Napakaganda. Napakagaling. Makulay. I love the theme. The aesthetic. I love it. Gusto ko na napaka-unhinged niya. Wala siyang boundaries. Magugulat ka sa kung anong lumalabas, and it's freaking amazing, and it's lawless. If you love SB19, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to SB19, download Weverse, support SB19 directly. Let's go, 18. Cheers. The Curse PH and you masters have been amazing.